students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is, the given figure is related to Gauss law in electrostatics. That is, phi is equals to Q upon epsilon naught, where Q is equals to, our options are +2, -6, -8 or +6 mu coulomb. So Gauss law, according to Gauss law, here it is given as phi is equals to Q upon epsilon naught, where Q is the net charge enclosed in the surface or closed surface. Correct? So this is our closed surface, and net charge inside this closed surface will be -2 plus 8 mu coulomb. So that will, the net charge will be +6 mu coulomb. So our correct option is option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.